Hey everyone, the Redmi G24 2400Hz edition is Xiaomi's latest offering in the gaming monitor market, and it's clearly engineered with esports and competitive gaming in mind. Released alongside the larger G27 model in China, this 23.8-inch monitor arrives at a remarkably affordable price point, currently discounted to around $79 from its original 699 yuan retail price, making it one of the most budget-friendly, high refresh rate monitors on the market. At the core of the Redmi G24 is a 23.8-inch Full HD panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, utilizing fast IPS technology to deliver both wide 178-degree viewing angles and quick response characteristics. The headline feature is its blisteringly fast 240 Hz refresh rate combined with a 1 millisecond motion picture response time, making it ideal for competitive players in games like Valorant, CS2, and Call of Duty. The fast refresh and low latency help reduce motion blur and ghosting, two critical factors for maintaining visual clarity in fast-paced scenarios. The panel is surprisingly well-rounded in terms of image quality, especially for its price. It reaches a maximum brightness of 400 nits and supports HDR 400, providing a modest but noticeable improvement in dynamic range and visual depth in supported content. Color reproduction is another standout feature. The monitor is factory calibrated to achieve an average delta E of less than 2, which ensures high color accuracy right out of the box. Furthermore, it covers 94% of the DCI-P3 color space and fully spans the sRGB gamut, making it a solid choice for casual content creation or color-sensitive work when needed. To ensure smooth tear-free gaming, the Redmi G24 supports adaptive sync and is compatible with both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync technologies. This means it can dynamically match the refresh rate to the frame output of your GPU, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering for a more fluid experience. The monitor also incorporates DC dimming to reduce flicker, enhancing eye comfort during long sessions. TÜV Rheinland low blue light certification adds another layer of user-friendly design, reducing the strain from prolonged exposure to high-intensity blue light. Design-wise, the monitor keeps things simple and functional. It allows for screen tilt between -5 degrees and +15 degrees, catering to different desk setups and ergonomic preferences. It's also compatible with VESA 75 by 75 mm mounting, giving users flexibility to mount it on a wall or a monitor arm. Connectivity includes a DisplayPort 1.4 for high bandwidth signal delivery, an HDMI port, a 3.5 mm audio jack, and a DC-in power connector. Overall, the Redmi G24 24Hz edition punches well above its price category. It delivers a combination of elite gaming specs, color accuracy, and practical design that's rarely seen at this low price. Whether you're a competitive gamer on a budget or someone looking for a responsive secondary display, this monitor offers a compelling balance of performance and value. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new monitor? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.